What is pattern making? Pattern making is the blueprint of your garment. A pattern is used as a template to cut and sew the fabric for your garment. It also gives you the ability to understand how the pieces of a garment all fit together. Learning pattern making will make you a better designer. You will approach designing knowing how to achieve certain shapes, certain silhouettes that you wouldn't have known otherwise. Pattern making is the bridge between your ideas and production. You need a pattern in order to make a garment. We'll deal with some of the basic principles of pattern making, such as dot manipulation, and some of the techniques like pivoting and slashing and spreading. The idea is to learn from these classes so that at the end of this course, you will feel a sense of accomplishment.